Then Shrek kissed the princess. She turned into a beautiful ogre, and they lived
Happily?
Ever.
After.
But alas, my dear friends, we have come to the final chapter. And I am afraid our hero has fallen victim to a terrible curse.
Oh no.
From DreamWorks.
Fiona.
What's happening?
Donkey!
It's me.
I've never seen you before in my life.
It's Shrek, your best friend.
Oh! Please eat my face last and send my hooves to my mama!
This summer, far, far away, is in big, big trouble.
Puss? What happened to you?
I may have let myself go a little, but I have all the cream I can drink and all the mice I can chase. I'll get him later.
DreamWorks. Shrek Forever After. The final chapter in 3D. May 2010.